Your phone is not slowing down because it's old, but actually, you are the problem.
क्यों हिला डाला ना?
The way you charge it, the apps you close, even the settings you ignore. These habits are silently killing your smartphone and even exposing your private data.
So hello friends. Welcome to Easy Data Fundamental.
In this video, I will expose the 7 deadly smartphone habits that most people do every day and how they're ruining their device without you even knowing. So watch the full video till the end. And if you didn't subscribe my channel, then subscribe now. So let's get started.
Number 1.
Charge overnight to 100%. Plug your phone and charge before bed, and wake up to 100%. Easy, right? But constantly charging to full and keeping it plugged in overheats and ages your battery way faster than you think.
Number 2.
Giving apps full permissions by default. Most people allow apps access to everything, like camera, mic, location, without thinking. That not only drains your battery, but also risks your privacy.
Number 3.
Keeping Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on all the time. Most people leave Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on 24/7, even when they're not using them. That might not seem like a big deal, but it constantly drains your battery and even exposes your phone to nearby trackers or road connections. Also, hackers can exploit open Bluetooth connections to steal data or install malware without you even noticing.
Number 4.
Closing all background apps manually. Swiping away all background apps feels satisfying, right? That's not helping. In fact, it forces your phone to reload everything, wasting even more battery and memory.
Number 5.
Never restarting your phone. When was the last time you restarted your phone? Last week? Last month? Or maybe you never restarted at all. If your phone hasn't been restarted regularly, it's probably full of background bugs and memory junk, and you'll feel in the lag.
Number 6.
Not clearing cache regularly. When was the last time you cleared cache? Last week? Last year? Or maybe never? Actually, cache data builds up over time, with different junk images, scripts, leftover code. If you've never cleared it, your phone is probably carrying digital garbage right now.
Number 7.
Skipping software updates. Do you got any software update pop-ups? And you skipped every time, right? Actually, they're not just annoying. They're critical. Skipping updates means missing out on important security patches and performance fixes, leaving your phone vulnerable and slow. Now you know, these 7 habits are silently destroying your device. If you want to make a quick video with fixes for all 7 habits, then drop a comment below. Fix it, and I'll make it happen. So guys, see you in next video. But before that, if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.